Stiles, Wisconsin. Got the dam right here behind me. The gates are all closed. As I'm looking up on this power line up here, I see a lot of line and lures stuck up there. We got somebody fishing over there. Got somebody fishing over here. He gave me permission to come and dive out here. I'll be out of his way. You're gonna see a lot of crayfish out here. Let's get it. I've got about 6 bass follow me around. They're on both sides and they just follow you. They want crayfish. Hey, do you mind if I get up over there? Thank you. You want a lure? This one's brand new. I don't know if you want to catch it or not. That's about the only good one I have. The rest are pretty rusted. Yeah, no problem. Curves to the rescue. There we go. That was a really nice corral. There's about 20 lures right in there. Got a lot of line management to do right now. A lot of bass on there just chilling, checking out what I'm doing, waiting for me to knock out a minnow or crayfish for them. Pretty cool. Couple lures, nothing too extravagant. Oh, goodness. Whoa. There's so many crayfish in here. You have a really good crawfish boil. Decent amount. Looks like somebody's already been here diving a lot. Really not too much more to find here. I'm gonna move on to a different spot.